something that's got a cork in it.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, so far, very red. Very, very red. Now, I bought this raspberry syrup for a drink, but I forget if we actually did it or not. That's my story.
I don't remember either.
Ah.
See, we've got a list of all our cocktails, but it doesn't list all the ingredients. That's one more. That's drilling down a little bit too deep for me.
This should be the, oh my gosh.
Look at how red that is.
Yes, should be the vampire blood sickle. Except there's no sickle in it.
Well, there's ice.
There's ice.
And you can get a nice sickle.
God,
Sure, you could you put a wooden stick in there, freeze it. There you go.
I'm starting to feel like a queasy. There's so much red going on here.
Yeah. This is much bloodier than the vampire blood.
What else is there?
There's also absinthe in it. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
So we're using the taboo absinthe.
Look at that.
I think this drink's gonna knock us on our ass.
Well, there's nothing very boozy in it. That's the funny bit.
They're all only slightly boozy.
Well,
Again,
but
another cocktail that's good for kids.
Yeah. This is,
Or, your grandma.
you could hand this out as to the trick-or-treaters.
Sure.
You know, back in the Middle Ages, kids drank beer because they wouldn't give them water. They said, "Let's have some water. Water's safe.
Water'd kill you.
Yeah, water kills you. You gotta have beer. Why not a cocktail?
Yes. I don't know where your
It's
lid is
probably
for that.
even, more sanitary.
And then finally, just to soften everything up, a little bit of Canada Dry Club Soda.
Hope it doesn't explode.
We should be okay. It says 3 ounces. I would imagine you could probably just fill it up to the top here, but I'm going to put 2 ounces in just to see how we do with our glassware here. Oh yeah. So I think if we were to go like this,
Oh yeah.
and then we'll go like this,
That looks pretty good. I'm looking forward to this one.
and then we'll go like this.
I hope it tastes like raspberry Kool-Aid.
I hope it tastes like Jim Jones's Kool-Aid. too soon?
Okay, baby.
Yeah, maybe you're right. Combine all the ingredients in a highball glass over ice, ladies and gentlemen,
I think that's what we did.
and stir it and garnish
How
it.
the hell are you going to stir that?
Yeah,
Well,
it's
fortunately,
right
it's
to
just-
the very top.
It's just that great big.
Ice cube.
So we're just going to do that with him.
You're drowning them, Jason.
In pure Halloween theme, I'm drowning the ice cube. Yeah, this looks like an IV bag full of plasma.
Oh dear, now I see I don't have the Steadicam option on my iPhone here, so the video's going to a little bit shaky there. I'm going to put this down.
All right.
And I'm going to have a drink.
Yeah,
All right,
sure.
and